Alright, guys. There is this one pigeon I have every single time. I've got like 20 in total. Every single time I go out there, I get food, or I get ready to get them food. He lands on my head every single time. And then he'll fly down and land on the cup that I'm holding with my hand that you saw in the other videos. Let's see if I can get him to land on my head and actually get it on video. I guess that depends on if he's hungry or not. No, the other guys are hungry. I can hear them. Oh, is it above me? I hear the scratching. There's one specific one. I've got him memorized too. He's not the one. Yeah, these ones are all scared of me. Oh, I guess he's not too scared of me. I'm gonna poke you. Is it that one? Nope, it's not that one. It's got a black tail and black spots on its head. Not that one. That one's too black. That's bad. Not that one. I don't see him right now. They're obviously hungry. They don't get close to me unless they're not, or unless they are. Oh, is that him? No, that one's not him either. No. What is it? Yeah, I got my little crowd right here. Can't eat the phone. Neither of those two. Alright, I'll get you some food. I like the flower seeds that I have. I need to restock on flower seeds too, apparently. Down here yet? I don't see them still. Might be out scavenging. They're sitting on his eggs. One of the two. It's not that one, even though that one's close to what it looks like. Oh, what's that? Turtles are playing whack-a-mole down there. Which one is it? I don't see him over here. That one? I don't think so. Oh, scaring the pigeons. Stupid turtles. They're just playing leapfrog. Not a lot of leaping going on though.